quick one. Let's go through this video because this guy you are seeing on your screen now made some kind of an important, should I say confession or testimony, not confession, because his mother and younger sister was kidnapped, and he was the one that negotiated with kidnappers. So I want us to listen to this because there's something that I want to say, as we move forward concerning the current insecurity issue in Nigeria and the reason, which is one of the reasons why people are now calling for separation, especially Biafrans, and that is not the beginning of the quest for Biafran freedom, but the current security challenges in Nigeria, has intensified it. I told us that Buhari actually helped to facilitate the coming of Biafra. Some people think that I'm just bluffing by saying that, but if you can connect the dots, you understand what Buhari government have done, that's actually going to help Igbo Biafrans, our Biafran in general, at the long run, because it's not something that you will see the benefit at at moment, but as we move forward, you are going to see the benefit. Today in Nigeria, for example, only Biafran land is well protected. I'm not saying that some other places may be protected, but you can't compare the vulnerability of some other community or town or state to compare, Biafran land. Biafran land is highly, highly, highly difficult for them to conquer. Now, this is not bragging, but it's a known fact. Like I said, I will allow him to say, his experience. This is just like a testimony from him or what he went through, but because his mother and his sister was kidnapped by little boys, teenagers from Fulani, and this is to prove to you that many things that is going on in Nigeria and that government hands are in it, because he said the revelation that he gave here. One of the things that he said here that will shock you is that when he went to the police station to report a kind of to see if they can help them, as they were there trying to open make statement and all that, the kidnappers called them and want them to leave the police station immediately. So you should ask yourself, how do they know? I mean, who told the kidnappers that they are in the police station to make reports? These and more is what we are going to learn on this video. Please, if you have not liked the video, what are you waiting for? Your like and comment is very important, and do subscribe to the channel if you have not. Support us in any way you can. Don't watch and go. It doesn't cost you anymore any amount to click on the like button and comment. Tell us what you think about what they're discussing. Let's hear him. I'm gonna take it back. Let me take it from the beginning so that you can hear what he's saying.
Around that kind 2 p.m. that they
Start from here.
with proudness, with pride, like
Okay.
I'm the general. Nothing will happen. I we get Nigeria.
Wow. Can you tell us how this happened? What really happened?
My mom, and in short, it's not just only my mom and my sister. They take the full bus. The driver that was trying to run away, they have to shoot the driver once, even without hesitating. This thing, then we now went to that at Kogi, went to that Ozaga police station. After making reports, then we now the DPO now came with much talk. Then in that police station, we don't even know how those people even know what was even going on. They called us that if we not leave those police stations, the next picture we will see is our people, and they will not give us the dead body. They will just throw the dead body in the forest for vulture to chop, something stuff like that. So we have to just like leave those police people there.
Jesus, you mean that these kidnappers were aware that you guys went to the police station? It means they have an informant from the police.
They were, I say, when we were talking to the DPO at that Osaga police station, Kogi State, the next call we just received that we could not leave this place. The next picture we are seeing our people dead body, and they will not even hand over the dead body, so they will throw it into the forest.
So they reached out to you and asked for a ransom of 200 million.
Yes, they started with 100 each. So we started like when we wanted to even like when I wanted.
Okay, this thing happened in Kogi State, not in Abuja. But you know, Kogi and Abuja, all of them are almost, they are all the same. Not. Some people say that they're not, but to me, they are almost the same thing. Anyway, let's whether in Abuja or not, there's no place that is safe in Nigeria at the moment. Abuja own is very easy. The reason why they are intensifying the attack in Abuja is to make sure, just to show their their light that anything is possible. Asorok is the target, and once they take it over, then you will start hearing. They will start dishing order and command to control everything. And in military or security apparatus like police or whatever, they have already conquered them from first ten of Buhari. So that one is not, we can, there's no way anybody can take it back from them. That's just a fact, and that is very dangerous. People are not saying, talking about it, but that is the most dangerous part of the whole thing, because as long as people that you are relying on to help you are working hand in hand with them, everybody is gone. That's just the fact. Now listen.
To even like say then now hang up the call. Then I now took them like that kind 3 to 4 hours. Then I call back. Then we started like say okay, this nobody plan and stuff like that. Then I say we are not serious. Okay, then I say okay, the 100 million is too much. We should pay 100. The 100 each is too much for them. We should pay 100 for both of them. I say, boss, me I calm down. And in Nigeria, we then I say we dey work for House of Assembly or NNPC, all those kind of things. The guy now hang up because the guy did not call us again that day. So in the morning around that kind 8 o'clock, then I call us back. So from there, then I say okay, we should pay 50 million. Like they started negotiating from that 50 million, then I say okay, if the 50 million is too much, then I bring it down to 40 million. We even say the last talk I told you, okay, we say we have 5 million. Then I hang up the call, they not call for 2 days. Then the next call that they called, then I say, okay, this is the last price. Whether we take it or we leave it, we should bring 20 million, 10 million each. When I say we don't have the money, after much, like with much talk, then I hang up the call around that kind 2 p.m. that they called. Then I call back around that kind 10 to 11. That day was on Friday, and the next day was supposed to be their election day, which is Kogi election day. So then I say around that kind 11 that they called, and I say we should bring the sum of 15 million. That if we not that they don't want transfer, they need cash. Imagine 1 day interval, not even 1 day, some hours interval. Where we want start from, and again it's weekend. Where we won't even start from. So to God be the glory. With like we were running around, checking up, asking people, like the people we know, calling. The end of the day, we now generate like 10 million. We are still looking for like 5 million. So to God be the glory. That day was Kogi State election. Then I call us around, because they say we're supposed to start coming to Kogi. They're supposed to see us around 12 o'clock. They did not call us. They say we should wait for their call. They did not call us. So around that kind 2, then I call us, say okay, they will not have chance to see because of all the old police, all the old things, that we should come back the next day, which is on Sunday. But we are coming in the morning, anything 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock. They need their money with some of their packages that they say we should bring for them. So that is how we thank God. So that Saturday, we now use it to collect loan of 5 million, which I'm still paying till tomorrow.
Wow.
So with everything, now we have collected the money. Now the problem now is how to get the cash. We start working from all the OPOS. Anybody that we even see after explaining the story, if you want to give us 1 million, the person will say we should pay 100. Where we are still looking for money, we are still paying money to get money.
Okay, you will needed cash.
Yes.
So if you go to somebody that has 1 million naira cash, they'll ask you to bring 100,000 naira.
they will remove 100,000. If they are giving us cash of 1 million, they will give us 100,000.
They'll give you 900,000.
Yes, they will give us 900,000. For 10 million, we don't cut. We don't come out 1 million. So we finally get 9 million. All the old ATM. At that time, all this like that cashless time that they say that you can't withdraw more than 20,000 in an ATM. So imagine the stress, imagine the headache, everything. Like, so the person, to God be the glory, even the person that I went to meet for the loan, the person now with everything, I even show him the video, he saw everything. The person now say, okay, he will give us the money.
Which video did you show him?
Everything. I even show him the video, he saw everything. The person now say, okay, he will give us the money.
Which video did you show him?
We have the video. They sent us some video now.
Of your mother and sister?
Of my sister. So the person now say, okay, no problem. To God be the glory. The person have cash at home. He's a businessman. He now give us the 5 million cash. That is everything. We just got the 15 million. So we now have to go and meet another person for that 1 million again to complete that 15 million. That is how we got the cash of 15 million.
Wow.
So the next day, which is Sunday, they called around 6 a.m. Say, okay, hope we are ready. We say we are ready. Then I say, okay, we should start coming to Kogi State. That was our side. So we now reached that Kogi State, and that was they asked us the color of motor and we now say the color of motor is black. So when they saw the Jeep, they now say, okay, we should park. After we park, they now left us there about like 2 to 3 hours. They did not even call us. The next call that they will receive, they now say we should leave the car here. We should start entering. Say that we should go front. We see one road. We should just start entering that. We should just be going straight. After there, they now call us. They now say we should stop. Then we now saw one rider. They now call us say we should follow the rider. Then we now follow the riders. Then we now reach that. The place more work, I don't even know. If they carry me go yourself, I can't even still remember that place again. But what I know, we now stop at one place that they are selling to all these Fulani women are selling tomatoes.
Are you serious? Inside the bush?
Yes, we have Fulani. If you might just say, for instance, now you will see house in this side. In the next 5 meters, you will see another house. All these are Fulani kind of house. As we walk inside, we now saw the general. We saw some guys came to pick us with AK-47. No, small boys. So not those ones that even came to pick us. They are not even up to 18 years, if I'm not mistaken. With better AK-47. The thing just like I was supposed to be scared, but when I see children, I like say now even children they do all this thing. But I can't like reason like, okay, maybe this one are the messenger. I'm gonna go see the real people, the real boss, their guard, their commander, the person that I was talking to, stuff like that. So when we went there, the one small boy just came out. He was the only one that is holding pistol. The rest we are holding AK-47. Now come out and I say, where is his money? And the funny part of it all, this guy did not count the money. The guy just said, where's my money? I just like see the money. He just collected the money and give to one of to his second. Then I say, we dey go police station, we dey go army. Say whether I don't know whether I'm the general, I should ask about him where. Say who know for this country. Say
he's speaking pidgin.
Yeah, pidgin. Like this one, like I would just say it's like a little bit like because his pidgin was like no Fulani tongue, nothing. His pidgin was like okay. So the guy like say whether I don't know him, say whether we don't know him, we come on, say those police people know, say we even get locked, say them that kidnappers, so say like we should even be happy that it's not even all those kind of wicked things. Say they for just kill our people through They will now sit there after they collected the money. They not count the money. He just gave the guy the money. Then that's like 4 villages there will see our people. That is how we just went there. I saw my mom, my son, and my younger sister. My younger sister just rushed come and hug me. To God be the glory. They don't even touch her. Nothing like rape case or even sexual harassment. All those things. They not do anything like that. The only thing She could not even eat for 3 days. We even have to take her to hospital, put drips in her body, all those kind of stuff. So before she now get herself to start eating, that only what she imagine small girl of not even up to 25 years staying for.
So this is his experience, and so many of them. Just that this one is in the public now, because everybody have their own stories. That you are not a victim today does not mean that you may not be tomorrow. So that is why you need to support anything that will make sure that you are free from these shackles of kingdom of darkness. There's no need to pretend about it. Anyway, I don't want the video to be too long. Thank you so much for your time. I want you to tell me what you think about it. You can see the collabo between police and the so-called kidnappers. One that shall never end. Anyway, take care and see you again. Bye bye for now.